Assalamu alaikum students, we will continue the remaining short questions of chapter number 4 exercise, and we have done 9 questions, short questions, and now we will I will explain question number 10 of question number 12 part 10. One of the unit cell angles of hexagonal crystal is 120 degree. Why? In hexagonal structure, one of the angle is 120 degree. It is present inside the hexagon as shown in fig. For example, graphite has hexagonal crystal. This is look here. This is hexagonal structure, and here angle is shown 120 degree. Please draw the try to draw this hexagonal structure and angle, and show the angle of 120 degree here. Okay, next is the electrical conductivity of metals decreases by increasing temperature. A metal consists of sea of free electrons in which positive nuclei are present at definite positions. The electrical conductivity of metal is due to the motion of free electrons. Sometimes the electrical conductivity of metals decreases with increase in temperature. It is because increase in temperature increases the vibrational motion of positive nuclei. Students, when we increase the temperature of a metal, then its molecules also show vibrational motion, and which causes hindrance to the flow of current. These nuclei produce hindrance in the motion of free electrons. Hence electrical conductivity decreases. Okay, next question is, in the closest packing of atoms of metals, only 74% space is occupied. In closed packed structure, layers of metal atoms in the form of spheres are present over each other. You can look 3 atoms layer in the topic, and in this arrangement spaces are left behind in the layers as shown become, and these spaces are called interstices. These are the very small spaces present between the atoms. These spaces are called interstices or crevices. Due to these spaces, volume occupied by the atoms of metal is less than the total available volume. Thus, it has been found that in closed packed structure of metals, 74% of total volume is occupied, and unutilized 26% space consists of interstices. Okay. Now we will discuss the question number 13. Ionic crystals. Ionic crystals don't conduct electricity in solid state. Ionic crystals do not conduct electricity in solid state. It is because in solid form ions have fixed position and therefore they cannot conduct electricity. They cannot move. Ions can only conduct electricity when they are free positions. When they are fixed position, they cannot conduct. And same case in case of solid state. However, these conduct electricity in molten state or in aqueous solution. Because in these forms a crystal lattice are broken up and ions become free, these free ions can conduct electricity. Now question number second last question is 14. And ionic crystals are highly brittle. Why? Easily break up. It is because ionic crystal consists of parallel layers in which cations and anions are present in alternate positions. Thus, when a force is applied on crystal, one layer of ion slides a little bit over the other layer. In this way, like ions come in front of each other, which repel each other, and thus a crystal is broken and show brittleness. When force is applied on crystals, then layer of positive ions and layer of negative ions slide over each other, and similar ions layers come in front of each other, due to which they show repulsion, and as a result of this repulsion the crystal is broken and show brittleness. Okay, now last one short question is, the number of positive ions surrounding the negative ion in the ionic crystal lattice depends upon the size of two ions. The number of ions surrounded by the particular ion depends upon the relative sizes of two ions. For example, if a small negative ion gets surrounded by a large positive ion, the coordination number will be small and vice versa. Consider case of NaCl, cesium chloride. NaCl has small sodium ion and less radius ratio than cesium chloride, that is 0.53, therefore its coordination number is 6. Cesium chloride has larger cesium ion and large radius ratio, therefore its coordination number 8. And this is the end of the chapter number 4. Next we will start inshallah chapter number 5. Okay, then till then, Allah Hafiz.